In this guide, you will learn how to pay on Shein. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now you can head over to Me page, then click on the option Wallet. Now click on the option Bind Card. Click on the option Add a new card. From here, you are able to add your payment details. Now, whenever you are in the checkout page, you can check in for the payment method that you have saved. Or else, what you can do is head over to the home page, select anything that you want to purchase, select the details of the item, then add it to the cart. Then you can navigate to the cart section. For that, click on the cart icon given at the top right. Once you're over here, select the items that you want to purchase and click on checkout. Now provide your shipping address. You will land on the checkout page. Now scroll down, head over to the section of payment method. Over there, go ahead and select the option of your choice, provide your payment details and place your order. So this is how you can easily pay on Shein app. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.